Guys, it's me, Jerry Middleman Battaglia, out here in the North Fork of Long Island, New York. I have this awesome car just seen on the side of the road. Guys, like and share my videos, subscribe down below, and leave any comments. But check this old Chrysler four-door here. Car is for sale. It's been off the road since 1974. Wow. Looks like the interior was done over, so I'm showing 24,000 miles. Before it was going to be redone, as you can see in that. This thing is awesome. Windsor. 516-768-4637, 6,500 bucks. Pretty cool car here, guys. A little Chrysler. So I find all these cars online. Oh, excuse me. Find all these cars on the road. I put them online for you guys. But check out my other videos. A lot of cars for sale and a lot of cars I purchased. But this will be one I'll post for the owner. It's out here in Riverhead, New York. But check it out, guys. Awesome Chrysler. Check out that split window in the back. I'm not sure if it's a piece of chrome going down or that's actually three separate windows. That's pretty awesome. So guys, like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel. Jerry Middleman Battaglia finds another one. Have a great day.